Hey y'all, Mars, uh, past couple of nights, past 2 nights, well, before that. Every night I come home, the past few days, well, from work particularly, see Mars in the sky there, and see it when I pull in the driveway. It's like, if you see my videos at the pond, it's like, right there. Anyway, it's really pretty. Anyway, wish I had a good telescope. So, anyway, Mars. There you go. Night sky brings a treat this month as Mars is the brightest it has been in 15 years. Says it so dazzling it almost equals the once-in-a-lifetime view in 2003. Earth and Mars end up on the same side of the Sun every 2.2 years, but because the two planets' orbits are elliptical, they're sometimes close and sometimes far apart. This month through early August, they happen to be very close. So close is relative in astronomy, of course. And it was 60,000. Oh shit! In 2003, it was the closest to Earth in 60,000 years when the two planets eyed each other from a scant 34.6 million miles away. See, that's a pretty long way away. It isn't quite that close this time around, but it's the best view we'll get until September 11th, 2035. Anyway, it's already phenomenal now. Like I said, it's wow. It looks amazing. It stands out like Jupiter stands out. So, though it passed up Jupiter in brightness on July 7th, if you've been watching this. Anyway, reaches its closest point to Earth on July 27th, rising at sunset in the southeast and setting at sunrise in the southwest in the constellation of Sagittarius. There you go. It's also a full moon and blood moon, I believe. I think. Anyway, there you go. Here it says, Mars itself doesn't change, more due to the nature of its color, of its brightness, but it's like going to the paint store. What type of orange, peach, butterscotch, pumpkin, tangerine? It's just cool to look at. It's got a lot to do with our atmosphere too. Y'all know. Anyway. Anyway, it goes home into the scientific stuff there. But anyway, there's where it'll be. And there's Saturn. Anyway. Okay. And here I know the Guardian. But anyway. On what was that article from? I forgot. 13th. Sorry. This one's from the 15th. Mars in opposition is a radiant beacon. There, see? Capricorn. Sagittarius rising there. It's like there, see? Anyway. Anyways, pretty much saying that what it's saying there. Wait. And Mars opposition this year takes place on 27 July. The chart shows the view from midnight to night when Saturn is clearly visible as well. I guess it's talking about that night, 15th. They will form a nice contrast, the settled yellow of Saturn and the vibrant red of Mars. Okay, there's the ad. Okay. Cool. You see that? That's really cool. Yeah. Also, seen that as well. Really beautiful. Anyway. Just to look in the, yeah, anyway. Here's from today, or March, July 16th. Mars is so bright right now you can shoot its reflection in the ocean. Check that out. That's cool. captured from Rhode Island there. That's awesome. That's all. Oh, there we go. There goes into that. The 2018 perihelic apparition of Mars will prove to be one of the most favorable since the 2003 apparition, when the red planet comes closest to Earth in 59,635 years. Actually, of the 56 oppositions of Mars from February 22nd, 1901 through July 27, 2018, only 15 can be considered as favorable. Anyway, you know about the planets and the way everything interacts. You know, it's got a lot to do with the sun, in our solar system, with the sun and its cycles too. So take that into account too here as well. With the let's see, every 60,000 years or so, 60,000 give or take. You know, but anyway, I got it down 59,600. Anyway, you know what I mean here. The whole universe works on cycles. You know, the spiral. Anyway, and this is in New Jersey. Rowan hosts observatory open house for Mars viewing there. So, if you live in Jersey area, there you go. Something there. That 8 to 11 p.m. There. Anyway, that, and then this is Stuff World. It's from I think New Zealand, and I think there was one here doing one too. I think I read that. Oh yeah, in the 28th, on the morning of the 28th, there will be a total lunar eclipse. Like, maybe check that out there. Hell, anyway, what's that at? Shit. Oh yeah, there, that's that observatory right there. Let's do. There's the place you can go look. Anyway, there. So, man, just interesting stuff. If you look up in the sky like I do, and everything, I'll leave all these links below and stuff. So, anyway, take care, y'all, and have a great day. So, I'll see y'all. Hello. If you're looking at the stars, enjoy. It's beautiful. And not another chance to see Mars like this till 2035. September 11th. Anyway, see y'all.